Hey Bats, here's your mask, you can handle this.
I'm Batman.
Hi guys, my name's Edmund, and today we're gonna pocket size right into Mr. Freeze's gift set. Is it cold in here? Or is it just Mr. Freeze? Let's find out. Pocket size! Oh, hey Batman.
I'm Batman.
Yeah, I got this too. And nice pet snowman. I had one too. He melted. Love the snowmobile.
I'm Batman.
Oh, it's Mr. Freeze's place. Let's see if anyone's home. That sounds inviting. Let's go in. Wow. This is some cool decor. You know, you'd think you'd have like a space heater or a candle or something. Did it just get more chilly in here, or is it just me? He's right behind me, isn't he? Hey Bats, here's your mask, you can handle this.
I'm Batman.
Pocketsize Me! That was one cold adventure. All right guys, my name's Edmund here at Pocket Watch. Like, comment, subscribe below. Tell us where else you want to see me pocket size into, and stay frosty.